After using the Samsung Galaxy A16 for 6 months, the experience has been generally positive for a budget-friendly smartphone. The device offers a solid build quality with a sleek design that still feels premium despite its affordable price tag. The 6.5-inch display remains bright and clear for everyday use, whether it's streaming videos or browsing social media, although it's not the sharpest in its class. Performance-wise, the phone handles basic tasks like calling, messaging, and light app usage smoothly, but it can lag a bit when multitasking or running more demanding apps. The battery life continues to be a standout feature, easily lasting a full day or more on a single charge, which is great for users who don't want to be tethered to a charger. The camera system is decent for casual photography, especially in good lighting, but it struggles in low-light conditions. Software updates have been steady, and Samsung's One UI remains user-friendly and feature-rich. Overall, the Galaxy A16 delivers reliable performance for the price and remains a solid choice for those who need a dependable phone without breaking the bank.